everywhere else.
Lord of the Flies.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, get back down to the front of it.
Get him, kitty.
I think I'm just gonna put that.
She's like, let me in, let me in.
Look, she can see into the window. She's trying to go to the window on the side.
She's trying to like twist that.
I'm a bad kitty.
Oh, she got in.
Oh! Lauren. Why can't I say things like that, but you can to me? I get yelled at when I say shit like that. This should not be so entertaining.
Oh, but it is. Es todo bueno.
You need to do like voiceovers, like I'm the Juggernaut bitch, like that voiceover. You need to get voiceovers involved. Way funnier. Get out of my crib. It's like sneak attack.
Yeah.
Like if I hide up here, he won't know. Ninja Kitty.
That freaking video is hilarious. Freaking love that video. They take the camera away. It's like right there. It's right there.
Look at the little hollow.
Paw just. All I can think right now is that System of a Down's on the Psycho. Could it be? For some reason. Go, Deuce, go. Defend your castle.
Get her ears all back.
He's like, back up, bitch. Back up.
Want more?
Don't make me backhand you.
I think I'm just gonna play the
It'll hurt me
background
more
one.
than it hurts you.
I'll make you cry.
Oh, that hurt.
She had to walk away there
She's
for a
like, I gotta
second.
walk away for a second. Get my bearings, get my bearings.
I'm just gonna make it.
What other kind of music do you sing?
Oh, God, I grew up listening to everything.
See
So
if they go back in the
anything and everything. I can do some black girl singing. That's what they were joking about the other day. I asked me to sing a little Low Sweet Chariot.
Out of nowhere.
Oh, now she's in.
Yeah, now she's in.
What makes it so
She's like,
much
yeah,
better
bitch,
for this
gotcha.
video is it's
Oh.
Secur's like, oh my eyeballs.
Your eyeballs. Cheekbones connected to the eyebone.
Oh, no kitty.
Lauren, I'm stealing another one. Por favor, mi novia.
Yeah.